A galaxy is a gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek galaxias, stars, each orbiting its galaxy's center of mass. Galaxies are categorized according to their visual morphology as elliptical, spiral, or irregular. Many galaxies are thought to have supermassive black holes at their centers. The Milky Way's central black hole, known as Sagittarius A*, has a mass 4 million times greater than the Sun. As of March 2016, GNZ11 is the oldest and most distant galaxy observed. It has a co-moving distance of 32 billion light-years from Earth, and is seen as it existed just 400 million years after the Big Bang. In 2021, data from NASA's New Horizons space probe was used to revise the previous estimate of 2 trillion galaxies down to roughly 200 billion galaxies. Most of the galaxies are 1,000 to 100,000 parsecs in diameter and is separated from the Andromeda Galaxy, its nearest large neighbor, by 780,000 parsecs. The space between galaxies is filled with a tenuous gas having an average density of less than 1 atom per cubic meter. The majority of galaxies are gravitationally organized into groups, clusters, and superclusters. The Milky Way is part of the local group, which it dominates along with Andromeda Galaxy. The group is part of the Virgo supercluster. At the largest scale, these associations are generally arranged into sheets and filaments surrounded by immense voids. Both the local group and the Virgo supercluster are contained in a much larger cosmic structure, named Laniakea. The word galaxy was borrowed via French and medieval Latin from the Greek term for the Milky Way, Galaxias, named after its appearance as a milky band of light in the sky. In Greek mythology, Zeus places his son born by a mortal woman, the infant Heracles, on Hera's breast while she is asleep so the baby will drink her divine milk and thus become immortal. Hera wakes up while breastfeeding and then realizes she is nursing an unknown baby. She pushes the baby away. Some of her milk spills, and it produces the band of light known as the Milky Way. In the astronomical literature, the capitalized word galaxy is often used to refer to our galaxy, the Milky Way, to distinguish it from the other galaxies in our universe. The English term Milky Way can be traced back to a story by Chaucer c. 1380. See yonder, lo, the galaxy which men clepeth the Milky Way, for hit as white. Galaxies were initially discovered telescopically and were known as spiral nebulae. Most 18th to 19th century astronomers considered them as either unresolved star clusters or anagalactic nebulae, and were just thought of as a part of the Milky Way. But their true composition and natures remained a mystery. Observations using larger telescopes of a few nearby bright galaxies, like the Andromeda Galaxy, began resolving them into huge conglomerations of stars, but based simply on the apparent faintness and sheer population of stars. The true distances of these objects place them well beyond the Milky Way. For this reason they were popularly called island universes. But this term quickly fell into disuse, as the word universe implied the entirety of existence. Instead, they became known simply as galaxies. Tens of thousands of galaxies have been catalogued, but only a few have well-established names, such as the Andromeda Galaxy, the Magellanic Clouds, the Whirlpool Galaxy, and the Sombrero Galaxy. Astronomers work with numbers from certain catalogs, such as the Messier catalog, the NGC, the MCG and UGC. All the well-known galaxies appear in one or more of these catalogs but each time under a different number. For example, Messier 109 is a spiral galaxy having the number 109 in the catalogue of Messier, and also having the designations NGC 3992, UGC 6937, CGCG 269023, MCG plus 09, 20, 044, and PGC 37617. The realization that we live in a galaxy that is one among many galaxies parallels major discoveries that were made about the Milky Way and other nebulae. The Greek philosopher Democritus proposed that the bright band on the night sky known as the Milky Way might consist of distant stars. Aristotle it should appear different at different times and places on Earth, and that it should have parallax. which it does not. In his view, the Milky Way is celestial. According to Mohani Muhammad, the Arabian astronomer Alhazen proposed that the Milky Way is made up of many stars that almost touch one another and appear to be a continuous image due to the effect of refraction from sublunary material, citing his observation of the conjunction of Jupiter and Mars as evidence of this occurring when two objects are near. In the 14th century, the Syrian-born Ibn Qayyim proposed the Milky Way galaxy to be a myriad of tiny stars packed together in the sphere of the fixed stars. Actual proof of the Milky Way consisting of many stars came in 1610 when the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei